You see, this is what I have been craving for, beef wet stew. Okay, I have already fried my beef like this. You can see it is ready, so let's just try and confirm. Okay, who doesn't try meat if it is cooked or not? Who doesn't? And I'm not exceptional. So I'm gonna add my olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or any other oil that you like. Okay, then I'm gonna add my garlic, which I have chopped here, and mix everything together and allow it to cook. I like to allow my garlic to cook inside the beef like a minute or so. Then I'm gonna add my chopped onions. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my stew step by step. Then mix everything together and allow the onions to cook. I don't just like to add everything together at once and boom, you have the stew there. I like to do it step by step so that it will cook. Guys, if you have come to this far, kindly subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Then I've added my green chili, then the tomatoes. The green chili I could have added before, but I forgot, but it's fine. Okay, so like I told you, I like to cook my onions, garlic, and allow them to cook very well. At this point, guys, I'm adding black pepper. Don't worry, I didn't add it in my container, but it's fine. Then coriander powder, then cumin powder, then turmeric powder. These are common spices that you must have in your kitchen. And this is curry powder, which is optional, but I like to add in my stew. Okay, mix everything together, guys. Like at this point it is cooking and I'm mixing it. Look at that, guys. Yeah, so at this point I'm gonna add my tomato pastes, about 2 spoons or so. Then mix everything together, guys. Tell me where are you watching this video from? Tell me how you make your own stew in the comment section. Let's interact. So I added a little bit of water and mix everything together. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, it is smelling so nice, and there's nothing special we've added here, just the normal things that you know. Then I've added my mixed veggies. You can add any veggies that you prefer, but for me, I prefer those veggies that I have added. Add a little bit of water just for 5 minutes. I will allow the veggies to cook and we will continue. Guys, tell me what you think about this video. I have a cube over here. I'm gonna add Maggi cube. You can add there's Royco. There are types of many types of the cubes you can add, but for me I have this one. Guys, I know you're asking why I haven't added salt, because I marinated my beef with salt before I cooked, so it has salt, and I like to add salt at the end because of the spice. Some spices are salty, and so at the end you check your beef. If it has salt, then you're good to go. I have added my green onions and my green coriander. You can use parsley, but I love the smell of coriander, green coriander. Okay, that's why I prefer coriander than parsley. Oops, my spatula fall down, but it's okay. Look at that, guys. This food is ready. Look at this. My beef stew is ready. Tell me what you think about this. I'm gonna serve this with rice. You can serve this with paratha. You can serve this with ugali for Africans or cassava, whichever way you prefer to serve it with, and you will enjoy this. Na ni tamu sana. Guys, tell me what you think about this. Our food is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. If this is a video you like, feel free to subscribe.